Hey, Makandiwa knows something about that money. Makandiwa knows something about that money. I almost came out. I almost. And I can tell you the reason, because the reason, you can attack me, I can go for years, quiet. But sometimes I look at people who consider me.
I'm actually anointed to take.
Power racho pandiri ukatona munhu atondipa ndiye munhu anoona.
If you actually see somebody who can see, someone who will hold from me, they can't see anything. No.
Because the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm speaking against what I've heard people say. Because in my life I've seen thieves, but they don't do that after stealing. They eat alone. No one would have known that he has money. No one would have known. Did I not tell you that this is one thing that is actually very, very terrible when it comes to not our church. Our church is not like that, but Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe needs some prayers. Evangelist, you need to pray for this country. Yeah. Did you see how people twisted my understanding of giving when I mentioned about Dr. Tagwirei, his offer to some of you people here? He gave us money that we didn't receive. And our refusal was based on a principle that I was saying. He had done so much. He's coming. Some of you we are not even aware of what really causes some of those actions to be taken. And no matter how many times we try to explain, you understand, of course. But these gadgets that are recording us, they betray us every time. We think we are alone. We have thousands of people watching every time. Do you know that when the youth leader, also they went there to have a meeting with his own people, we were supposed to also know how much he's needing or how much he's expecting, how much should be given to him to come and minister. And he said, no. How about fuel? He said, I've got my own fuel.
It's true, Father.
So it's us also wanting to give. You refused. What does he know? Even if he has the money, but we should be allowed, to put in our $10 into his fuel tank, as if somehow he wants to be blessed. He's looking forward to be blessed more.
He wants to be blessed even more than he currently is, and he's refusing.
So those are issues that we look at, and then I came back and I said, like
you guys,
had he not given himself, because now I was looking at the superior gift, having provided himself to us, what else is left? What is money now? So I wanted you to really place value on personalities, on people. That you meet people But guess what happens? People started attacking him. What's wrong with people? Somebody who wants to bless other people and there are some complications.
That you begin to mock.
As if my refusal is a prophetic message to say there is something wrong with the man. If there is something wrong with the man, if there is something wrong with his money, why have him? Why invite him? You see the problem that we have? It's a big problem. And the people that were criticizing him, they are not even saying good things about us. They are also criticizing us. And among those people,
250,000.
250. Hapana akazomboiunza.
No one eventually, amongst all those people.
Yeah, the man is very, very principled. But I know 250.
But they never wound up giving me that 250,000. So we're going back to get it.
He's a bad person because I refuse.
You thought he was a bad person because we refused, right?
Youth.
So we're going to send the youth team.
Thank you.
And then we'll come back. If we come back, and we'll tell those same people that we went and did what? We collected it. Getting people accustomed to the wrong thing.
You can ask people a question, Uji. There are people that say you can't just receive money from people not knowing where the money is coming from. I received your dollar last week. I never asked you. I don't know one man of God. I don't even know one who asks people $10 here.
Where did these $10 come from?
But my figure can go
But if the figure gets a bit too high, then people want you to make inquiries. Ask first, investigate.
Dollar
Have I ever asked you about your dollar?
business say principle but dollar.
Why are you so principled when it's about $1? But you don't even what's the large amount. You don't want us to make inquiries first.
Zimbabweans have a problem. Didn't Mr. Chivhayo did a post and mentioned, I've given a gift to Makandiwa, and he refused. He had given me that a long time back. And he wasn't lying. But it was never me who came out and said, he gave to me and I refused. No. It's him who told the people.
That I sent my gift and it was not accepted.
It was him. What is strange is that people would have never known had he not told them. Yet they started what? Attacking him. Hey, Makandiwa knows something about that money. Makandiwa knows something about that man. I almost came out. I almost. And I can tell you the reason, because the reason you can attack me, I can go for years, quiet. But sometimes I look at people who consider me. If somebody sees me and he feels like blessing me or being a blessing to me, and he wishes me well, then you attack the person. Not against me. It's not trying to destroy me. is somebody who's trying to support what I'm doing. And I'm justified.
I'm actually anointed to take.
Power racho pandiri ukatona munhu atondipa ndiye munhu anoona.
If you actually see somebody who can see, someone who will hold from me, you can't see anything. No. You have to actually be a seer. Not just a giver, but a seer.
But a person is insulted, castigated, humiliated, as if he is begging, he is asking from me. He's not asking from me. He wants to give. I had actually communicated with him at the time. I said, I've received your gift. The Lord told him, but I'm not going to collect. I'm not going to take it. Because I've seen how many people have been giving. He has this communication from me. How many I've been watching. This has been an unusual character. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm speaking against what I've heard people say. Because in my life I've seen thieves, but they don't do that after stealing. They eat alone. No one would have known that he has money. No one would have known. You're actually
relying on the information that he volunteers. He's giving you that with which to attack him.
Then I said, what I can do is meet you and pray for you, bless you, so that you are increased. I said, I know if I don't receive, there are people that can replace me. And this is what I said. I said, I have an advantage. I'm well placed and well blessed. I have a lot. That's what I said. But I know, looking at some of the people that you are giving, they need help. And me, by not receiving, it means it's more people that you're going to be what? Helping. That's what I said. And back then, that was the end of the conversation. Recently, it was now him talking about it. And when he said it, how can Makandiwa refuse? If the man is okay, if the guy is right. But we're the same people who are
being accused of being money hungry. We come here as partners, we get a dollar. And then God raises another.
Based on
and
principle.
we refuse based on principle.
Now
that person is a bad guy.
I'd never received a gift, I've told you, from even the government. Yeah.
Yes.
As soon
as we're done speaking like this, I actually also want my own farm.
I don't have to pay anything to that.
I want a free one.
Mundipa title deeds.
Give me the title deeds.
Though the only way that I can bless Zimbabwe,
blessing Zimbabwe, what is Zimbabwe giving? Everything you're selling. I'm actually a war veteran here as I stand. People like ourselves should never even have to
government
look for a church stand.
You're in every city. Upon the church. Sit down. Sit down.
I've told you several times that I don't beat about the bush, I come straight. Give to me and I'll bless you. Give to me as a government. Give me gifts and I will bless this country of yours.
Azireve kuti vanga vachindinyima but ndiri kuti ndandakavhara machi
withholding.
Vaitodawo.
They also wanted.
His Excellency came here and he said, "What do you want me to do for you?" I said, "Nothing." But ndafunga mushe man.
And now I've had a second thought.
Ndafunga mushe.
I've thought about it again.
Some of you you love it when there is no one else who can do better than you. You love it. You love it. If you know there is no one else who can do it better than you. So that the
man of God must continue asking. He has to always be asking.
Yeah. So I'm going to open up this door, not just to believers. No. I'm a businessman in Zimbabwe.
I want even Zimbabwean businessmen.
Yeah. Zimbabwe.
All the well-regarded business people. I want to build that church.
In record time. Record time. Chimbi.
Quick and quick.
Chimbi.
Chop.
Whether we're honorable minister,
even to those that are out there, whether you're the honorable minister of this portfolio or that, give us gifts and we will make you truly honorable. People go to witch doctors and they pay. Come and minister to God. And look at our teaching, it's good. What is there to undermine?
So
let's give you what to talk about for this whole week.
Because if we don't do this, then even other preachers won't have something to talk about. So you just make sure that in every sermon, you make sure that you give them a little bit to talk about. The Bible is not easy. It's not easy. For you to focus only on the Bible through and through. That's it. So
So, leaving this place, we're really expecting that gentleman is going to bring our gifts.
Unless from Magabatika now,
And this maybe he's currently indisposed. You know, these things happen. But now we're waiting for the gifts. The gifts are there. Now bring it to the house. Minister to God, will pray for you, will bless you.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm not
talking about all the other members of the apostolic sect. I'm talking about Wicknell. So that it's clear what I'm talking about. We will receive. Bring it. Bring it. This is it, right?
Look at all the
support that I'm getting here.
Yeah.
Now when you're not talking about us, don't even so that when people are criticizing you and criticizing me, you'll be in agreement that at least there is something worthwhile worth the criticism. These are not jokes.
No. Hallelujah. It's time to give. 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 Do expect that
I'm expecting for people to be competing with each other.
Not only people
not only members of this church, but even people from other people's churches.
I'm looking forward to see not only my members, my pastors,
not only the members and the pastors from there.
My doors are open.
Our doors are open.
If you're a man of God, you want to partner with us, you want to support God's work, what we are doing, send your seed. The door is open. My pastors should not struggle.
Pastors, help me so that door is wide open. People should not struggle to bring a gift.
No. People should come and give.
That's it.
So I was telling them to come up with a system
that you guys should come up with a system where you can
even
see
my page
the pages of people who talk about us.
Door to door to men of God.
And you knock door to door. We have your video on YouTube where you speak about Jesus. That is 20 views. But when you then begin speaking about our Father, you are into 2,000 views. So we are asking for our tithe. We are not forbidding you from speaking about him.
Because
when you preach about Jesus, no one seems to follow. Because YouTube is paying. And we are not forbidding you. We're just saying, let's talk. Let's talk.
They have to give us
some
something.
Some of them will mention them here. They have to.
They're looking
after their families.
It's
It's someone else's name, isn't it?
It's intellectual property.
It's called intellectual property. You just don't know. There's a person whom you know, the moment that you mention their name, your views are skyrocketing. And YouTube is sending you money.
Avambotarisa content kuti wanga uchitukanyadze mari. Vanongotarisa bedzi kuti
They'll never look at the content to see that
Traffic.
you are actually criticizing
Badara.
money. They'll just look at the traffic. And
isi
they
tinongoyo, of course we cannot sue you, but
will
ungotaurira nawo kuti
come.
komana.
Of course, we can't see you, but we'll just discuss it. Say,
Onawo
come,
shamari, ona waitaura nyaya
look at this, my friend. You were talking
ye
about
rapture apa, hapana munhu
the
akamboteerera.
rapture, and nobody paid you any mind.
Ndobva wadzoka panyika bva wakutaura
And then
zvemurume.
you came back on earth and you were speaking about this man.
Tionewo, tine basa raMwari ukuyo, waona
We have a work.
zvatiri kuita, ungoisawo something.
So you can put something towards that. Yeah.
Hapana chakaipa. So everyone
with
should
that.
be a partner wechechi inoi.
Of this church.
Chechi inoi ine vanhu vakawanda vanoida.
This church has got so many people that love it.
Aiwa, chechi inoi inodiwa.
This church is so beloved.
Aiwa. Aiwa. But this time, chuyai.
Come.
Tishande pamwe chete. Chero mukasauya kuzonamata nesu panavo.
Even if you don't come
But
and
support
join
us,
in,
what we do,
but
but
support what we're doing, right?
Yes, yes. So the doors are open. I want you to give to God today. It's an offering that we are giving. We bring it to the altar, and I allow you to go. What I don't like is when one also kanganwa kuti toda kuita offering.
People who then forget that we want to give an offering.
Hatidizvo izvozvo.
I don't like that.
Once wataura offering ukatanga kuita izvi zvepower izvo vamwe hautodi.
Once you speak about an offering and you start doing this, some people start
I
to
will
forget.
remind you.
So I'll remind you.
I won't let you go today until you give to God. Close the doors. It's a joke. Pantobuda ibaba.
They'll cut this and make it a clip.
There's no kidnapping people. Unless you give, you can't go home. Yeah. Amnambonzwe yamwe ndakataura yeye kuti
Remember, I once
ndakati ukanditi chi
spoke about
usingabhadhari chegu.
if you don't pay tithe,
Yeah. Ewe. Aikona kutaura.